Hello, dear students. Today we will study the classification of group Crenata of phylum Chordata. इससे पहले वाले वीडियो में हमने फाइलम कॉर्डेटा के एक्रेनेटा और प्रोटोकॉर्डेटा ग्रुप के बारे में स्टडी की थी. Now the group Crenata or Euchordata, these animals are known as higher chordates due to the presence of highly advanced chordate character. These highly advanced chordate characters are presence of head, vertebral column, jaws and cranium. Only one subphylum, that is vertebrata, is included in this phylum Chordata. सब फाइलम वर्टिब्रेटा में पाए जाने वाले एनिमल्स में निम्न विशेषताएं पाई जाती हैं. इन दीज एनिमल नोटोकॉर्ड इज कम्प्लीटली और पार्शियली रिप्लेस बाय वर्टिब्रल कॉलम. डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ एक्सोस्केलेटन मीन्स बाह्य कंकाल, स्केल, विंग्स, फैदर्स, हेयर और नेल्स आर प्रेजेंट in the animals of this subphylum. Phylum Chordata consists of one subphylum Vertebrata, and this subphylum Vertebrata is classified into two groups on the basis of presence or absence of jaws. These two groups are Agnatha and Gnathostomata. एग्नाथा ग्रुप के एनिमल्स में जबड़े अनुपस्थित होते हैं, जबकि नेथोस्टोमेटा ग्रुप के एनिमल्स में जबड़े पाए जाते हैं. नाउ द ग्रुप फर्स्ट, दैट इज एग्नाथा. ट्रू जॉज आर एब्सेंट इन दीज animals. Notochord persistent. All developed vertebrates. All developed vertebrae are found at notochord. Appendages and genital ducts are absent. Two semicircular canal are found in internal ear. Class group Agnatha is again divided into two classes, that is class 1 is Ostracodermi and class 2 is Cyclostomata. Now the class Ostracodermi, all the member of this class are extinct. इस वर्ग में पाए जाने वाले सभी प्राणी विलुप्त हो चुके हैं. These were fresh water fishes which are supposed to be the first vertebrates. Cephalospines means primitive vertebrates come into this class. Now we come to the class second, that is Cyclostomata. Cyclo means circular, stomata means mouth or openings, means circular opening. Circular mouth is present in the animal of this class. चक्रीय मुख की उपस्थिति इस वर्ग के प्राणियों की विशेषता होती है. Most of the member of this class are marine except some freshwater fishes. दिस क्लास इंक्लूड जॉलेस फिशेस मीन्स जबड़ा विहीन मछलियाँ इस वर्ग में पाई जाती हैं. दीज आर आल्सो कॉल्ड फॉल्स फिशेस मीन्स आवासिक मछलियाँ भी ये कहलाती हैं. स्किन इज सॉफ्ट, स्मूथ एंड स्केललेस. नोटोकॉर्ड एंड वर्टिब्रल कॉलम बोथ आर present. Heart is two chambered means venous heart is present. These fishes are parasitic as well as scavenger. Animals are unisexual. Fertilization external. Larval form is absent, but in Petromyzone ammosid larva is present. Common example of this class are Petromyzone and Myxin. Petromyzone is commonly known as sea lamprey and Myxin is commonly known as hagfishes. This slide shows the figure of hagfish and lamprey. Now we come to the next group of subphylum of subphylum vertebrate, that is Gnathostomata. These are developed vertebrates. Mouth is encircled by true jaws. Movement by paired fin or legs. Vertebral column is well developed. Three semicircular canal are present in internal ear. Gills or lungs are meant for respiration. Group Gnathostomata is again classified into two subclasses on the basis of the type of locomotory organelles, respiratory organ, heart, nostrils and blood vascular system. These superclasses are Pisces and Tetrapoda. In this lecture we will study the classification of superclass species. सुपरक्लास स्पीसीज. दिस सुपर क्लास इंक्लूडेड ट्रू फिशेस मीन्स वास्तविक मछलियाँ इस सुपर क्लास में पाई जाती हैं. एनिमल्स आर एक्वेटिक में बी फ्रेश वाटर और मैराइन. दीज आर कोल्ड ब्लडेड पोइक्लोथर्मस एनिमल मीन्स ये शीत रुधिरधारी होती हैं. बॉडी इज लॉन्ग स्ट्रीमलाइन. स्ट्रीमलाइन मीन्स की धारा रेखित. बॉडी का स्ट्रीमलाइन धारा रेखित होना एक एडेप्टेशन होता है जिससे कि ये पानी में अच्छे से तैर सकती हैं. इसी तरीके से बर्ड्स की बॉडी भी स्ट्रीमलाइंड होती है जिससे वो हवा में अच्छे से उड़ सकती हैं. Their is again divided into head, trunk, tail. Neck is absent. Body is covered by dermal scale. Exceptions are catfishes and torpedo. Paired fins are present for swimming. That is, pectoral and pelvic fins are present in the group of this animal. नाउ एंडोस्केलेटन इज मेड अप ऑफ कार्टिलेज और बोन्स। जो अंतःकंकाल होता है वो उपास्थ्यों का या अस्थियों का बना हुआ होता है। रेस्पिरेशन टेक्स प्लेस बाय मीन्स ऑफ गिल्स। गिल्स आर ऑफ 5 to 7 पेयर। हार्ट इज 2 chambered। venous heart is present and unicircuit circulation is present in these animals. Now RBCs are nucleated. External and middle ear are absent. Only internal ear are present. 3 semicircular canal are present in internal ear. Kidney in fishes are mesonephric type. Cranial nerves are 10 pair. Lateral line receptor organs are present. Vertebrae in fishes are amphicoelous type. Fishes are unisexual, एक लिंगी होती हैं. डेवलपमेंट डायरेक्ट होता है, मतलब प्रत्यक्ष परिवर्धन पाया जाता है. स्मॉल फिशेज, बेबी फिशेज आर कॉल्ड फ्राई. फिशेज shows seasonal migration, and this seasonal migration is of two type, that is catarrhomous migration, in which fishes move from fresh water to marine water. Example is angula. And anadromous migration, in which fishes move from marine water to fresh water, and some common examples are salmon, hilsa, sturgeon and trout. Devonian era is called the era of fishes, and study of fishes is known as ichthyology. Now the superclass species is again classified into 3 classes, that is Placodermi, chondrichthyes and ostrichthyes. In class Placodermi extinct fishes comes, means इस क्लास में जाने वाली सभी फिशेज विलुप्त were the first freshwater true fishes, and their body was covered by bony fishes. Next two classes of fishes are classified on the basis of type of skeleton present in these animal. That is class chondrichthyes, which is also known as elasmobranchiae. In the animal of this class, the endoskeleton is made up of cartilage, means उपास्थियों का बना हुआ होता है. And this class include cartilaginous fishes, mostly marine. Endoskeleton is made up of cartilage. Placoid scales are present. Dear students, fishes में total 5 type के scales present होते हैं: leptoid, placoid, cycloid, ganoid and ctenoid. लेप्टोइड एक्सटिंक्ट फिशेज में प्रेजेंट होता है, जबकि प्लेकॉइड स्केल सिर्फ कार्टिलिजिनस फिशेज में पाए जाते हैं. एंड बाकी के जो 3 स्केल्स हैं वो बोनी फिशेज में पाए जाते हैं. 5 to 7 पेयर ऑफ गिल्स आर प्रेजेंट. एयर ब्लैडर एंड लंग्स आर एब्सेंट. लिवर इज बाइलोब्ड. स्टमक इज जे शेप. स्पाइरल वॉल्व और स्क्रॉल वॉल्व इज प्रेजेंट in intestine, which increases the absorptive surface of intestine. आंत्र की अवशोषण सतह को बढ़ा देता है. Ampulla of Lorenzini is present. This work as thermoreceptor. Fertilization is internal. Male fishes have clasper. Female fishes are oviparous, ovoviviparous, but dogfish is viviparous, and female have placenta. Some common examples are dogfishes, torpedo, chimera. This slide shows some common examples of cartilaginous fishes, Gygina and torpedo. This slide shows some more common example of cartilaginous fishes. Now we come to the class ostrichthyes, which is also known as Teleostomi. Fishes of this class are found in fresh water as well as in marine water. Body is covered by scales. Cycloid, ganoid or ctenoid scales are present, while placoid scales are absent. Skeleton is made up of bones, so these are known as bony fishes. 4 pair of gills are present. Air bladder or swim bladder are present. Scroll valve in intestine and ampulla of Lorenzini are absent. Liver is trilobed. Fertilization is external. Clasper are absent in male fishes. This slide shows कॉमन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ बोनी फिशेज, एंड दिस इज हिप्पोकैम्पस, जिसे हम सामान्यतः समुद्री घोड़ा भी कहते हैं. एंड दिस स्लाइड अगेन शोज सम मोर कॉमन एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ बोनी फिशेज. थैंक्स.